I've always enjoyed woodworking, but I just couldn't seem to take my woodworking to that next level, getting it to do the kind of projects I really wanted to do. Yeah, you can read books. I've read a bunch of them, but reading a book, you don't really learn because you don't see it. You need to watch somebody doing it. When I was a kid, I'd watch my dad as he worked on projects in his little workshop, and I learned some things, but, I was a kid. I didn't learn everything I needed to learn. And as an adult, I just didn't have somebody like that. At least I didn't until just a few days ago when I ran across Woodwork 101 on the internet. This is a really great set of videos put together by an experienced woodworker showing how to do a whole bunch of really neat projects. He goes step by step, showing you what he's doing and explaining it. Like this. This is a kiddie play place that I made, just like one he made, following his instructions. And the tricky thing about something like this is cutting your miters, right? I don't know if you ever try and cut miters much. Most of us, a picture frame is a challenge. But what I always found is that I'd set up a miter on my table saw, and I'd cut it, and I'd end up with a gap. Trying to get that angle just right. This is a 60-degree angle, which means I'm cutting 30-degree angles. Well, he showed me how to set the saw up right so that miter came out just like it's supposed to. So I had nice clean miters, closed up, and I didn't have any of that problem. That's the kind of stuff that's in there. Yeah, it's great projects, but it's also great techniques. It's great tips. It shows you how to do the stuff that maybe you didn't learn either. And through that, you can improve your woodworking, take it to the next step. I had a lot of fun making this. Now my daughter's cats can have a lot of fun with it. And I'm going on to the next project. And I'm hoping to keep learning more. And by the way, he's adding more videos to this series every month. So I don't know how long he's going to keep going, but I'm looking forward to it. Increase my ability, make some neat projects, have fun. If that sounds good to you, maybe you're in the same place as me and you need somebody to show you how to take it to the next step. Well, click on that button down there, and why don't you take a look at this and see if this is the thing that you've been looking for too.